Okay, today we are going to learn how to clean format a PC. This is a bootable pen drive. I'm connecting this pen drive to PC. I just turned on the PC. Now it's a HP machine, so I'm pressing F9 and we are entering into BIOS. Here we are choosing. We have two modes: UEFI, this one, and this is legacy. This is old one, and this is new one. In new one, we are choosing SanDisk, means our pen drive, and enter. So it's Ventoy, so we have multiple booting OSs here. So I'm choosing Windows 10 and one more enter. Okay, here we have to choose language, English India. Just press and hold the E key, E for elephant, then select India. Next, here before entering here installation, you can choose repair your PC. Here we have to choose troubleshoot. In troubleshoot we have command. Here we have startup repair. If your system is showing blue screen errors, you can repair those errors from here. You can uninstall recent updates. So you have so many options here. Okay, you can restore your system, you can recover your image. Okay, and firmware updates are here, and we are choosing this one, command prompt. As we are booting from our pen drive, it will allow us to format our hard disk drive. So here I am using a command called disk part. Enter. It will take some time, and from source we'll enter into disk part. See, we are entering disk part. Here we have to use one more command, list space disk, enter. Here in our system we have two hard drives, means hard disk drives. Disk 0 is 931 GB, means 1 TB. Disk 1 means 57 GB, means our pen drive. Here we have to select disk 0. Select disk space 0 and hit enter. Disk 0 is now selected disk, means our hard disk drive, which is 931 GB. Now here we have to use one more command called clean and enter. So disk part succeed in cleaning the disk, means our disk 0. Now here we have to press and hold the power key to shut down this machine. Once shut down, again you have to turn on the machine and press F9 key to enter into HP's BIOS. See, previously we are having Windows booting device here. Now we have only UEFI SanDisk, means our pen drive. Select this one. Now you select Windows 10 ISO, boot in normal mode, yes. Now again we have to choose here English India, press and hold the E key, then India. Now install. This is a normal installation. If you want to install operating system cleanly, you have to choose that repair option. Here I am choosing Windows 10 because this PC is having 8 GB RAM, and select this one. If the RAM is 4 GB, you can choose Home Edition. And next. Here we have two options. This is to keep the C drive data as it is. This is for fresh installation. See, we don't have any drives here because we already formatted the hard disk in command prompt. So I'm choosing 2 lakh here, the value. So I'm creating the C drive now. See, this is our 200 GB C drive. these two are supporting drives. Okay, so we have unlocated 736 GB. I am pressing new and I am creating a 250 GB one more drive for our D drive personal data. See, still we have 492 GB. So I have to select 200 GB, not 250 GB. So this is my C drive. So 195 GB means almost 200 GB. Now press next. Okay, the installation will take some time. So it is 100% done. Now it is installing features, updates and features. If the internet cable, LAN cable is connected, it will take more time. If you want to install it fast, you can remove LAN cable. Now it is asking for a restart. In this case, you can remove the pen drive. Okay. It may take 5 to 10 minutes while after restart. So this is our first page setup. Here you have to choose India. Next English India. It's a keyboard layout. You can skip this. It will take some 1 or 2 minutes here. It will restart several times in this process. Now we have to choose setup for personal use. Next. Here, if we have Microsoft account, you can log in here and utilize these all features. Right now we don't have, so offline account. Limited experience. Here I am giving admin name for my PC. IT support I am giving. This will be my admin account. I can give password or I can skip this. Right now I am skipping this one. Okay. And not now. You can accept it also. And skip. As you all know, Cortana is it slows down the PC's performance. So right now I'm not accepting this one. Okay, once OS installed, we have to bring the desktop icons. In this case, go to Start. Type themes and related settings. We have to enter. Maximize the screen. Here you can see desktop icon settings. Here we have to check mark this computer and user profile. You can bring the network and control panel also. Apply. Okay. Close. So as we created 2 drives, I am entering into this PC. So here we have an issue. Our C drive is showing, but our D drive is not showing. In this case, close this. Go here, this PC, right click, manage, it will take some time because this is the first time we are opening this settings. Okay, now here disk management. Here you can see our D drive is created, but there is no drive letter. As here we can see C drive, here there is no D drive. So right click, change drive letter, select this one. Here add, D drive is already taken, just place OK. So our D drive is created. Okay, if you want to create one more drive, this is our D drive, this is unallocated space. Here we can choose, right click and new simple value. Next, here you can give values. I'm giving 1 lakh. Next, it is taking E drive, NTFS, new technology file system, and finish. So as you can see, we have created an E drive. Right now it is formatting. Once formatting done, it will show the drive letter. See, the new E drive is created. When the drive is created, for the first time we have to format this, and then it will allow us to use. Okay, when it's new PC, we follow these all steps. Assume that in D drive we have some data. Okay, I'm creating a file here. Assume that this is our important data. In this case, if we want to format C drive, we don't want to format these two drives. These will be as it is, and only C drive will be formatted, and we'll install the fresh Windows here. In this case, we have to first note down this thing: 169 GB free of 194 GB. So it is 200 GB hard disk drive. This is 250 GB hard disk drive. This is 100 GB hard disk drive. So we have to format 200 GB hard disk drive. Remember this. Okay. And also we are renaming this one. We are renaming this to C drive window 10. Okay. C drive window 10, and also it is 200 GB, this is 250 GB, this is 100 GB. Remember these things, we will check these things in BIOS. So by pressing F9, I am entered into BIOS. You can see that window is here, and this is our pen drive. I am selecting the pen drive, I am booting from pen drive. So as we are using Android, we have multiple booting ISOs here. Then selecting Windows 10. As we are checking, not formatting, so you don't need to change these things. Just press next and select this one, install. We are just checking, so I don't have product key. Windows 10 Pro, you can choose anything here, okay, because we are not installing. Accept the license. Next, custom you choose. So as you can see, we have renamed our 200 GB, means our C drive Windows 10. You can see the name here. Previously it was not here, right? To identify our drive, we can rename them and identify from here, or else we have to identify from total size and free size. If the name is not provided, we can identify using total size and free size. Find that size and select that and delete or format. After that we have to select that and next. Our Windows will be installed and our remaining drives are here. Okay, this is 100 GB, this is 250 GB, and in 250 GB you have data, so it won't be affected. Okay, thank you.